Every great journey starts with a single step. Let's set the pace, legs strong, core tight. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Listen to those drums pulling you in. Two straights, two crosses. Keep it sharp. Pivot your feet, rotate your hips, and throw the hook. Remember to get your shoulder into those slips. Here we go. Listen to that music. Trekking through the savannah might feel like a walk in a park compared to the peaks ahead of us. Prepare yourself now for the climb to come. Show me what you got here. Hold that squat. Hammers. Here we go. When the terrain is unstable, you have to be agile. Catch your breath here. Right foot forward. Here we go. Smash the floor, shake the ground. We are about to take off and leave that shattered ground behind us. Remember, this lesson isn't called Rise, it's Legendary Rise. Twist and punch, let it rip. Rotate through your core to get that full range of motion. Let's do it again. This is a trek. You can choose to walk it or run it. I say we sprint. Listen to the war drum banging. It's driving you deeper and deeper into battle. It's telling you, you will win. Squat, slip, punch. Double jab, feel the speed. Get that hand back fast to get the next one. Both feet forward. It's time to run. Here we go. We're coming up with the final push. Let this epic music guide you. Let it pull you forward. Let it inspire. Keep punching to the very end. This is your time. This isn't called Rise. This is Legendary Rise. Now that is what I call legendary. There's no